Welcome to Foodie Lovers Dating Show, and I'm your host, Tavita Natasha Mbala. And on today's Hot Plate, our guests get to make a simply no recipe breakfast. They'll have all the ingredients, but then they have to make sure that they figure their way out in the kitchen. So today from the city of kings and queens, we are joined by Mpumelelo and Spilisiwe. We're going to have two strangers and one kitchen. Let us see if this romance will bloom. Let the dating games begin.
Ibizo lami nguJunior Mpumelelo Moyo, but bangibiza ngo-KP, ngihlale eLobhengula, koBulawayo. Ngiyabe ngithena 23 this year. Yeah.
My name is Pilisiwe Mpofu. I'm 22 years old from Pomola Old.
I've been single for 2 months.
Ngidinga umuntu ozivuthile, like not umuntu ozikhiphayo masihambile out and all this stuff. No, ngifuna umuntu free to engage with people noma into engachazi, but just be free, be yourself.
What I look for in a woman is kungaba yikuyini okunye ongadlula uthando. I think it's love.
My hobbies are, I love going out with friends. At my spare time sometimes, watch movies, play music. That's me.
My hobby is watching movies, making some music, a hip hop artist, rapping, something like that.
Alright, like we can go out, right? Maybe chill a bit. Maybe go out. I love going out with my friends. Just put me labangani bami, and then you're like, baby, wena ngowami. You see, abangani bakho bazozibonela mina phela yimlawo esingu-2, and my friends, they just feel out of place. So kumele bazibonele bona kwale sithina sisoke sonke, angithandi umuntu onjalo. Ma uthatha mina labangani bami sonke kumele senze 7-1 isikhathini leso.
Ama-reasons engawanika for i-last relationship yami, I think okokuqala ukuthi honesty, yabo. Abantu abathanda ukukhuluma iqiniso most of the time, so mina umuntu othanda iqiniso, so dishonesty, yeah. And secondly, I'm very much popular, so ngiyazana labantu abaningi, so ama-insecurities from my partners ngokunye khona lokho. Then thirdly, ngamtholi umuntu ongichazayo nje kuphela. First of all, mina ngimfitshane vele, ngisithandela umuntu omfitshane, yabo. Then yellow bone uyabe muhle, but ngifuna umuntu okhuluma kakhulu, you know. Ngifuna umuntu okhuluma ezithobile, you know.
Angatholi umuntu serious. Ngingumama and ngidinga umuntu ozothanda umntana wami kwedlula mina, angamtholi lo. So abanye banitreat as if ngiyimi ayilamntwana. So first kumele uthande umntana wami bese uzothanda mina.
Umuntu ngeke ngiphume komlanda nje. I think it's a girl thanda nama-clubs kakhulu, too much, or slay queen singatsho kanjalo, othanda those things, yabona. Yeah, ngithanda umuntu ozithobileyo mina.
Okay, to my soulmate, ufuna ukutshela ukuthi lapho khona uhlala ukwazi ukuthi ngiyakuthandazela noma engakakuboni, and I wish we meet soon because kule COVID abantu bayafa and siyaguga.
Okay. Uphethe yonke quality. I like your personality. It's like I'm sleepwalking. My dream is a reality, driving me insane. Love is pain, but you remain. Nothing can pull us down. It's like we're flying with no gravity. Rain intersection, ungiphambanisa ingqondo. The way osweet ngakhona kuyela uzongiphathisa inyongo. Never enough one time. You shine above sunshine. Never ngikubeka isandla ngizokuchaya nge-love punchline.
Welcome back to Foodie Lovers Dating Show. I'm your host, Tavita Natasha Mbala, and I'm now joined by Spilisiwe and Mpumelelo as they seek to make what we call egg on toast or toast on egg. Either way, today there are no rules. They get to make this nice, amazing breakfast meal from scratch. I'm not feeling confident when it comes to Mpumelelo side. I feel like it's going to mess this up. Mpume, how do you feel?
Mna ngizifila grand.
You're
Blind.
right.
Mhm.
Uyakwazi ukupheka yini?
Yeah. Ngafundiswa umagogo vele so I'm blind.
Speedy, he's saying ukuthi nawafundisa nambuya wakhe kubika. Do you trust his cooking skills?
Ambon. Umboza zodwa.
Okay, so let's see if you know what we're making today. Take us through your workstation.
Lana, the sausage, then there's the bread, then lama eggs, then the salt, spices, then the cooking oil. So this is into the seventies as an S.
So it's very easy.
Nah. See?
Are you confident?
Yeah, confident Pearl.
Okay. Speedy, as someone who's been in the kitchen for maybe the rest of your life, how do you think you're going to make this meal taste different for him?
Wenza lapha. I'm sure uzohamba engilandela.
Okay, from the makers of Visa Visa Egg on Toast and the Gogo recipe, let's see which one is going to take the cup. Let the dating games begin.
All right. Yeah, let's open one that sauce up on there.
My first impression when I saw Mpumelelo, I was shocked. Obviously, bamphekisa like 2K. Because I was looking forward to meeting men, like a real man. Because
She passed away. So umuntu engangikhulisayo ungifundisa ukupheka and all. Akhuliswa umagogo. And when was when uhlala lo bani? Logogo. Seems we have izinto eziningi in common ke.
Yes, I did give him a chance. As we're cooking, talking, ngabona ukuthi no, it's just a body. Otherwise, umuntu engqondweni ukhulile. Yazi into ayifunayo. Ubephanika. Angazi ngibebe kuyindlela ebengigqoke ngayo or what.
How was akuthanda ukudla ngiphekelele?
Usothi ngoba khanya kuchili, shelf bread, ngiyadla phela mina.
Lanto ukuthi ama ladies bathanda into encinci so yabo?
Hayi, mina hayi lapho. Khomlo nomzulu kagogo.
Serious?
Jayela ufushwa.
No, shoot, I misjudged you. I'm sorry. Next time I'll do my best.
Okay. Yeah.
Freelance sazo.
Okay. Please.
Okay.
I've cooked. Unfortunately, Edlale.
Ukudla ngithenguluma bekumnandi, you know, it was marvelous. Akulanto engiyisoleleyo so uyabulala ngokupheka. Bose ngakhala.
Manje.
Thina ama-fork and knife asange sawafundisa singabantu abakamagogo.
Nami ngifundela khona la.
Serious? But when yakwazi yini bami?
How does it taste? Mnandi.
Esilungu uphekwe ngo. Uhle kwaba mnandi kakhulu. Like serious.
Okay. Hayi kodwa ke ngiyazama.
Uyabulala. You should kumele ukuphekela mina more often. What do you think?
Mama qanda ke no salt ngisakuphekela more often.
Oh, salt.
Yeah.
But when you're there, the salt vele kumele bele top salt uzosifakele because ungafakela umuntu salt eliningi, yo. So
For mina, indlela agqoka ngayo angithandi. Serious, kumele egqoke ebonakale njengendoda sivile emadodeni. Hayo Ben 10, no. Otherwise clean, clean. I'm not complaining. But ngizamtshintsha mina zamfaka ngendlela mina engithanda ngayo. Akola salt.
Sure. Next time ngizafaka more sauce. Likhona. Wena ngola ma. Baze bangifunza lami. Life emnandi.
Sure.
Ayakawa sweet guy. To be honest. They really are. Ngiyafisa ukuthi sazane more often. What do you think?
I ni wana njani?
Serious?
Angihloka ngichaza.
Blush. Yo. Ngazabhusiswa inkazana for the first time. Yeah, yabona by the time engitshela ukuthi la ehlala logogo like isimilarity liyana ingenze ngarelate ukuthi umuntu lo uyangi-understand lapha engiphuma khona ukuthi thina singabantu abaspoilwe ngogogo and stuff like that. So which music do you like?
That's fun.
Awuthanda music?
No.
Uthanda ama-movies kuphela?
Yeah.
Awusayithandi why?
Yes, I love music.
Ngabe ngifuna ukukuhlabelela after this.
Serious? Aye.
Since ngafaka salty, so I have to make it up to you.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, color.
Kuna sofuna.
Alright, now, serious. I'll go show you.
Alright. It's my turn now.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Behavior yakhe ingenze ngaba comfortable to an extent yokuthi lami ngize ngazikhohle ukuthi lapha ngu-date for the first time, because I think ukuthi sibe le connectivity lana yokuthi we could relate yabona kulamuntu ade sifila ezenza ngcono kulomunye like besifana nje, so it was okay. So you have a kid?
Yeah.
How old is he?
She's 4.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's 4. Nice. I wish to meet her someday. Mtshela ukuthi uba mawuncane yabo.
Ayi ngibaba omncane right uzongibona.
Come on. Mawungikhangele. I love kids yabona. So
Lokho akusho ukuthi ngibaba omncane right.
come on, yabe ngiyenzani. Uzangithanda. Like I promise. One day if ngingambona ngizakutshela.
Ayi mina imizozibonela.
Serious?
Yeah.
But anyway, I love kids though, so I know she will like me.
Ayi sawona ngakho wena ke? Bazi ngebantwana,
Yeah, I have a son. A king in my castle. He's 1 year. 2 months old.
Sorry, ayi ngisasengonana sibili.
Yeah, sasemnandi. But yeah, we're struggling though, but we're gonna be okay, mfana wami though.
Yeah, vele umntwana ugcina ngonkolonkolo. As far as Mpumi loving my child, yeah, I think kusoze kwaba into enzima kuye le because ulomntwana and so uyakwazi ukuthi umntwana ufunani and whatsoever. So mina as long as uzothanda umntana wakhe, so like I'm sure like uzamnikeza uzakhululeka ukuthi ethande umntanami njengoba lami ngiyabe ngithanda owakhe. Sonke singama parents. Yeah, so I think they will get along.
Okay, so what do you do for a living?
I'm a hairdresser.
Hairdresser? You cook pal?
Yeah, for now he cook pale.
Okay, that's nice. At least lami ngiyaluka phela ngingumfana phela, so
Straight, like straight.
Come on. So Chris Brown akakho straight?
Hayi ngeke ngibekwazi.
Yebo. But sonke siyaloka phela abanye abafana, so there's nothing ashamed.
Those nowadays awula mfana uphonguluka luka nje. With those cute eyes and then after that to look.
Ngiyadlalela mina li-rasta, I was just joking. Ngangithathe serious, I was just joking. Mina li-rasta, so I put band bami uyafaka ilokhu lami, then I'm done. Angiloki, uyabe ungistayila, that's what I wanted to say.
Aye. Alright. So ngoJaman bodwa.
Oh, yes, what's your man what?
Hayi mina senjalo.
Nalami sengisothi njani. And ngumuntu lana okhululekileyo and akakufihli, you know, like even where she comes from, yabo, I can even relate. She comes from eKasi yabona ePhumula, so
Welcome back to Foodie Lovers Dating Show. I'm your host, Tavita Natasha Mpala, and I'm now joined by Spili Siwe as we get to see how a date went. Spili, ibinjani date yen?
Aye, ngicomplain every right.
How was the food?
The food was tasty, but amaqanda there was a shortage of salt. Yeah, I think I was chile.
Ngimze khuluma ngokuthi abafazi bathanda into ezincane. Was there any sexual chemistry between the two of you?
Because we're saying ukuthi isinko sakhe sincane ungigobile sibili mina ngiyalihlela.
But you didn't finish your food, did you?
Cause bekuchile nkosi yami. Yeah.
Do you like yourself a man who cooks or you don't mind?
No, I don't mind. Alright, upheka emangidini ngoba uzopheka endlini. Umsebenzi wami intshona mile the whole day. So alright uthi sincedisane.
Welcome back to Foodie Lovers Dating Show. I'm your host, Tavita, and I'm now joined by Mpumelelo. Let us see if he enjoyed the date or chikafu chake hachina kunaka. How was the date for you, Mpume?
no, it was okay. It was nice. Yeah, I can't lie.
Can you tell me something? Pongo chibika and you did not put any salt in your food. What was going through your mind when she said chikafu chako hachiskunyatso naka?
Akazange atsho njalo specifically, but uthe akula salt because mina mangipheka I usually think ukuthi i-table salt is the best because sometimes uyafaka i-salt, umuntu akalithandi i-salt, ufake ungafaki i-salt, kanti umuntu uthanda i-salt. So bengicabanga ukuthi i-table salt vele lebe yi-best thing yabo ukuthi asifakele yena.
So do you think that she enjoyed the food?
I think the food was okay, but she did not enjoy the part yokuthi akula salt, but I think the food was okay.
She also did highlight that your food was burnt as well.
Yeah, nandiyakazi nathi thina bafana silama flops there and there, but she actually said it's okay though kuyadleka. So those words are to do.
You're seemingly confident. Do you think that she liked you as a person as well?
That's all up to her, but ngendlela desikhona ngakhona I think we're okay.
So since Mpume pheka into ezijileyo, does he cut the criteria? Is he okay for you, or you would want someone who would be hands-on?
No, umuntu uyafunda. There's a first time for everything. Asikuthi uzahlala echisa.
Nice. So what did you enjoy about this date?
Ufree, yakhuluma loba yini eyifunayo, into engimthandela yona akazifihli. Unguye nje.
Are there any things that you didn't like today?
Hayi kwamanje hayi, ngeke ngitsho. Maybe second date, maybe.
Second date, maybe.
Yeah, I'm hoping there will be second date.
Are you willing to go on a second date, Lospili?
I wouldn't mind. Lapho vele ngiyayifuna yesibili straight.
Do you think she said yes to going on a second date?
That much I don't know, and I don't know, but whatever it is, Mina on my side, I liked it. Bekumnandi sibili bekungani ngifake lo msilo mpango ukuthi ngihlale ngimlandele.
Where do you get those lines though?
I'm just like that. I'm just like saying things as they are.
Cool guy.
Yeah.
Okay. So, lapha siyayenza this game where everyone gets to rate the person that they went out on a date with. How many marks out of 10 do you think she gave you?
Out of 10, maybe udlalele ku 6 or 7.
6 or 7?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
So now you get to rate her food and her personality as well. So out of 5, you get to rate her food. Out of 5, you rate the personality, the vibe, her essence, and also the conversation that you were having as you were cooking and also on the date as well. So all in all, she'll get a mark out of 10. So out of 5, simnika ngaki ekudleni la?
Out of 5, I would repeat, so I'll just give it 5.
Then personality?
Personality, like, it's wonderful, so I'll just give her 4, I think. Yes, 4.
So all in all, she scores a 9 out of 10.
Yes.
That's a good mark.
Yeah.
So now we get to rate the food and the person. So I need you to rate his food out of 5 and rate Mpumelelo, the person, out of 5. Then all in all, we get to give him a mark out of 10. So out of 5, how do we rate his food?
Out of 5, I think so many a 3.
And then his personality?
5 out of 5.
So all in all, he gets 8 out of 10.
Yes.
And we're saying yes to a second date?
Yeah.
Okay, now I remember you did say that when ufuna inkazana emfitshane. She's not that short though.
Yeah, but she's wonderful. I can't lie. Sometimes akspani ngiyagibela phezu kwebench ngimqabu.
Okay, so can you tell me 3 things that you enjoyed about today? Izinto ezi-3.
Izinto ezingu-3. Right, okokuqala, sipheka sonke, ya uyaxoxa, umuntu okhulumayo uyachaza in fact ukutshona layo. And then okwesibili, asawumuntu lwana athanda ukukhuluma with my personal life, especially ngomntanami. Kodwa kuye ngizizwe ngikhululekile. Just ukukhuluma loba yini ade ngifuna. And okwesi-3, wakhe nje, he's so sweet, I don't want to lie, especially amehlo akhe. Yeah, ngikholisile nje ilanga lami lanamhla.
That's nice.
Alright, Mpome, for our second date, please, mina ngiyathanda salt. And ungangigube ekudleni ngiyacela Nkosi yami. Sachiya mina mase ngifuna ukuchiya and ungachisi. Ngcono kungavutha kulokuthi uchise. Yeah, kuphela.
Speely, you're wonderful. You're a nice person. Ngithanda character ukuthi you're down to earth. I hope nje lami ngikuchazile, even though usukudla bekungela sawudo, but you are very marvelous. Just know that even if ungasoze kube yimi engizakuthola, just know ukuthi the lucky dude ngizamshaya ngenqindi kuphela ngoba he's very lucky. Very lucky.
One thing that we have confirmed here at Foodie Lovers Dating Show is that food is the ultimate form of intimacy. So these guys are going to be going on a second date and we wish them nothing but the best. Until next time, enjoy.
My name is Junior Mpumelelo Moyo. I'm a foodie lover and I love Uspili. Uspili, she's a nice person, and from it, I think she's a humble. Kuroti nje emnandi wona ku relationship yethu, you know. I think ukuthi siza khona ukwazana more.
Yeah, I think me and Mpome can make a good couple and good parents as well. Because I stand into the fancy and it's kululanga sisidla ngama-fork and knife, you know. So ngeke sasichithele enhlabathini siqeda stop. So I think we're going to make a good couple.